Turning back now to eastern Iowa and a look at our weather first forecast. Again, we just got a few days left in September, David. It doesn't feel like fall, and we're not getting the rain we're used to.
No, normally we're seeing about 6.5 inches between the last 2 months, and that's pretty much mostly coming in August. But because we had such a dry August, really didn't get any significant rain until the last few days. Since August 1st, we've only seen about half that amount in total for the entire month of August and up to September. And with the upcoming dry skies and not too much for rain, we're not going to see a relief from that drought anytime soon. Satellite and radar does show those dry skies, completely different from the rain chances we saw later last week into early this week. For now, we're going to just keep those dry conditions around, not only into today, but into tomorrow as well, or into parts of next week as well. We're seeing skies clear around Cedar Rapids. Temperatures across the state, we're sitting about those middle 70s. So overall, relatively closer to normal for where we should be this time of year, but still a little bit above normal. And as we get into the coming weeks, that's not going to get much better either, especially with the only difference between what we felt between last week and this week is just that decrease in the dew point. We were sitting up into the 60s earlier today, but suddenly we're going to slowly keep dropping those dew points down into the 50s, making it feel more comfortable, more like fall. Really, the only thing that's going to stop us from feeling completely like fall are those temperatures. Tonight, we're going to keep those cooler temperatures though, all the way down into the lower 50s. We're going to keep those clear skies. Really, skies will clear out even more than what we're seeing today, and we'll continue to see those clear skies once we get into later parts of next week. So let's time that all out here with Predictor. We can see those northerly winds keeping us cool for now. Skies will clear, could see some patchy fog, especially early morning on Thursday, north and west. Some parts over by the Mississippi River Valley could also see some more patchy fog, but overall nothing to disrupt your commute. Once we get into tomorrow and really later on into the week, you're going to notice, not just here in Iowa, but everywhere in the Midwest, we're not seeing too much of that cloud cover or rain chances just because of high pressure that's starting to build over from our south and west. That's going to come over here, give us that intense heat, also keep our rain chances down for an entire week. Really, the high pressure is sitting down towards our south and west right now. All that's going to come up here, bringing in that warmer air. Ridge will stay over top of us, keeping our rain chances low, and really we won't see any rain chances once we get towards Wednesday or Thursday of next week. Temperatures are going to stay warm, not through September, not just through October, but really up until middle October. That's when we're starting to see near normal at least, or slightly below normal temperatures. That won't be all the way till middle October. So we're going to keep this heat around all the way throughout the weekend. Temperatures will be nice and warm. Skies will be clear.